don't fall down there.
Make you go tumbling down.
On my video, you hear all this heavy breathing. That's what I'm.
Yeah. Who's breathing?
Me?
You?
That's what I was saying. You'll hear all this heavy breathing. Because sometimes, like when I'm paying attention, like making sure that I'm walking steady and all that. Sometimes it's like I don't even notice. I start breathing like. Sounded like a duck, huh?
This thing isn't gonna fall over.
No. And if it does, you don't have far to fall.
Huh?
And if it does, you do not have far to fall.
It doesn't even feel like a bubble though.
The big black bird in the tree right there.
Huh?
Look at that big black bird in the tree right there.
I was actually saying something about look at the big black bear. I was like, what? I was like, what? Look at those stairs. That was an easier way to get here, and then a cruise was going somewhere else. The cruise was going up the bridge, and if you wanted to come, you would come too. I should go underneath the bridge where he's walking and bang on the thing and scare him.
Are you like a troll or something?
Huh?
Are you like a troll?
What's a troll?
Where'd he go?
What's a troll?
Did the bird leave? The bird left.
Well, what's a troll?
Remember that